You ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing my friend Joseph Anthony's slime shop, Unicorn Slime Shop. I bought so much slime from him. What's new? We get it. You're a slime addict. Blah, blah, blah. I'm doing a MacBook Pro giveaway right now. The rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both are at Nicole Jacklyn. And the giveaway ends pretty soon. I haven't set a date yet, but like a week and a half-ish. We'll see what happens. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah. This video to 10,500 thumbs up right now. Go down below, give it a thumbs up for more slime videos and more slime review videos because they're my favorite videos to film. And I'm just so excited because there's so much fun to film and I love them so much. I posted a recreating your Musical.ly video yesterday. You guys seem to like that a lot. So comment down below your Musical.ly username because I want to do another one really soon. And I kind of want to react to my cringy Musical.lys. Comment down below if I should because wow, that is a cesspool in itself. Let's hop right into this review video and yeah. All right guys, so I have not one, but two. That was this is so not graceful, but two boxes from Joseph Anthony's Unicorn Slime Shop, and I'm so excited because I love him so much. He is such a good friend of mine. I actually opened this one a minute ago because I was curious to see if it was still activated. I've had this package for 2 weeks and it's still activated. Like, I'm shook. I'm not even just saying that. I'm genuinely, honestly shook. So this first box here, we have extras and the 2 4-ounce slimes that I ordered. There was like cookies in here and your girl ate those. It was finals week. I was hungry. I was stressed. I might have already dug into those. So yeah, look at how cute this fairy tale fruit gum is. It is a unicorn gum, staying on brand, my queen. And we have a ton of borax because there is a ton of slime in here. Look, oh, there is literally, oh my god, we have so much borax. So excited. Unicorn Slime Shop, go follow him on Instagram. I love him. Unicorn has 2 eyes in it, Unicorn Slime Shop. I'll have it all linked down below. And we have this beautiful squishy. I think it looks so saturated on camera. This is not even saturated yet and it's so nice. I love it. Okay, this first slime is called Unicorn Toothpaste and it is absolutely gorgeous. This one I did already open to test it out, see if it was sticky or not. The entire bottom has blue glitter. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Yeah, it honestly smells like a fruity mint toothpaste. It smells super nice. Oh wow, this feels like a jelly slime, I think that's what it's called. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Keep in mind, I've literally had this maybe for even 3 weeks, honestly. And it's so nice still. It's incredibly thick. This slime is so nice. We love a nice jelly slime queen. This one might definitely be a sample. I'm not quite sure, but I want to see how it smells. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to it kind of smells like a really nice man, like a nice cologne smell. It has a super nice clay feel. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oops, I just hit my camera. I'm so excited to play with slime and I hurt my camera. This next one looks like it has foam beads inside of it and it's blue based. Oh my god. It smells like cotton candy and like cake. And it has those foam beads on top that are so beautiful. I love them so much. Oh my god. Who is she? Sweetie, what is your name? You is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it smells like cotton candy and like cupcakes, like all the food that you want to eat. Oh, I love how this feels. It's very thick and crunchy. Keep in mind, I've had this for 3 weeks. Literally a month. To the big old box of slime. I'm so excited. This first one's called Campfire Smores. Yum. Oh wow, this smells incredible. This scent smells just like, smells just like chocolate marshmallow and just all that. It has really cute little black foam beads to show the chocolate, and you have the marshmallow base also. Once again, I'm shook at how this is still activated. Overactivation is literally key. If you are a slime seller, like please. Oh, it's so nice. There has to be some kind of like clay in this. It's so thick. Or it's probably just glue all. It's nothing like that because it smells so nice. Okay, guys, this next one is called Uniicorn Milkshake. Has a very nice light Daiso clay to it. You see the bottom has all this beautiful glitter. This is such a nice slime. And when you mix it, so it has it so there's like still some white clay. You can mix it together. It's gorgeous. The scent is beautiful. I don't even know what the scent is, but it's so nice. The next slime is called Bejeweled. Look at how beautiful this is. It has rainbow fishbowl beads in it. How freaking perfect. Oh, look at how beautiful this looks on camera. It's so nice. Okay, I'm going to add in some really fast activator because it needs some of that. But considering it is still so together, which is super nice. Oops. So I'm literally queen of overactivating clear slime, but like, it's okay. I know the slime is amazing. It's just my fault that I overactivated it, but it's still incredible. Okay, this next slime is called Pastel Pineapple. Ooh, she looks so nice. We have green foam beads and this like yellow base. It looks so nice. I love pineapple, so I'm excited. Oh my, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Whoa, that slime is so thick and nice. Oh, are those the like kawaii slime company beads? They look so good. How do you even achieve this texture? It's so great. I bought this 3 weeks ago and it's so nice. A month even. This is still so activated. This is such a nice slime. It's called Raspberry Zinger. Looks like a red raspberry butter slime. Oh my god, you guys know how much I love that clean pull off the lid, like, yes. Oh my gosh, she is a fizzy slime. She has that nice winter snow added to the fake winter snow. So nice. And it smells just, like, look at how pretty that is. Just like raspberry. Oh, it has like, oh wow, this has like a cloud. I can't speak. It has winter fake snow, the crunchy kind, like the artificial kind, and then also has some clay, it feels like. Okay, this one's called Coffee Bean Ice Cream. Oh my gosh, she has a charm, a little coffee bean charm. I'll have to put that on her. Okay, I'll stop saying her. I just am I'm very hyper right now if you can't tell. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This makes me want Starbucks. It smells like a super nice, oh my gosh. This coffee smell, and then it has like a cloud dough, I think. Cloud slime, we'll see. It smells like a freaking frappuccino, man. A freaking frappuccino. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at all those lovely, ooh, she's thick. Okay, look at that little charm. Jeez, it's so nice. I can't tell if it's a cloud slime or a cloud dough, but I'm so happy with whatever it is. I'm going to prep it and see. This is how you prep it, by the way. I'm pretty sure, so let me know. Yeah, I think it's more of a cloud dough, but it's so, is it called a dough or a cream? A cloud cream? I don't know how to I don't know what I'm doing. Joe, it's so good. It's so great. I cannot get over it. Like, what is this? It's so nice. You guys can tell how thick in it. The scent is absolutely amazing. Joseph, I'm literally shook at your slime. Like, I'm shook. It's so great. We got a milk bucket, cereal milk, honey. Oh my gosh, it's a little cow charm. How adorable. This is like so much extra work to attach a charm in a bag. Like, I have a slime shop. You guys know Slime by Jacqueline. So yeah, I know how much extra work that is. Milk bucket. Let's open this up. Oh my god, it smells just, I don't know how to like explain it. It smells like a sugar cookie kind of thing. Oh my god. I kind of think it has cornstarch. It feels like it kind of feels like a cornstarchy kind of slime, which I love. You guys can like hear the sound and see how it like reacts. It feels so nice. Okay, next up we have, whoops, dragon fruit jelly. Oh, it's a clear slime with black little sequin. Who else loves when you first put borax on top of slime and how it feels like it's so satisfying. Next slime is called Frosted Animal Cracker. It looks so cute. It has mini foam beads and it has a white base. Oh wow, It smells just like animal crackers, and the base is super nice. Either there's some kind of like new clay, or it's like honestly just cornstarch and glue all. Like that's pretty sure what that is. It feels so nice. I love mini foam bead slimes, like floams, I mean, sorry. Honestly, just like a little bit shook at how nice all these slimes are. I'm so impressed. Like every single slime is so unique and so nice. Okay, next we have a slime called Glassy Peeps. Oh, yeah, that looks pretty dope, honestly. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Whoa, whoa, that scent. I don't even know how to explain it. It's so sweet and nice. Oh, we love a thick, what is this slime called when it's like a cornstarchy slime? I'm blanking out hardcore all of a sudden. Whoa. Glassy Peeps is killing the game. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm so shook. This is so nice. Yes, slay. Incredible. I just like, honestly, what? Now I'm literally so hungry after filming all these slimes. Next we have stuffed Captain Crunch. Yep, that sounds delicious. Whoa, oh my gosh, it smells just like Captain Crunch. Oh my gosh, it has, what? We have some like styrofoam beads, and we have the packing peanuts mixed into this. How are all these slimes so activated still? I'm so impressed. Alright you guys, if I should do more slime review videos, comment down below. Go into my MacBook Pro giveaway, subscribe, it's all linked down below. And yeah guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. My eye is twitching because of finals week. I'm about to take 2 finals in like 2 hours and I'm like, hey. But yeah guys, I'll see you really soon with a new video, and yeah, bye guys, love you so much, bye. Peace out.